Hello everyone and welcome back to Theme Park Explorer. You join us here at Drayton Manor for our September vlog.
So it's the day after the fireworks. We didn't manage to get here yesterday. It's a bit of a overcast day. It's quite bright behind us, but in front of us there's dirty clouds. So we're just going to have a little wander. Interesting time of the year. Last day of August, September tomorrow. So the park's starting to get ready for Halloween events and things like that. So we'll have a look around, see if anything's going on. You know, got a few rides at the same time, if any are open, because again, keeps chucking it down with rain. So yeah, we'll update you all and see what we get.
So we've just heard our first ride of the day on Adventure Cove River Rapids.
No queue whatsoever, just walk straight on, it's great.
But we ended up sharing a boat.
Yeah, don't quite get it, sharing boats, it's not the end of the world, but you prefer to go in your own boat.
Yeah, I mean there was literally no one there.
Yeah, it's a walk-on ride, but slightly disappointing. It didn't get wet, the only bit that you did get wet was the water arching, which
I think you can see there.
So it didn't get wet, so seems to be a hit and miss ride. Sometimes you are, sometimes you're not. But the sun is trying to break through now, so the rainy day is turning into a bright day.
Now I can't see.
Yeah, start squinting. So we're going to have a little wander, see what else to go on, maybe even take a ride on the horror, I suppose. maps. Happy Feet is here.
We've just had our ride on Gold Rush, you can see behind, and it was just another good ride here.
Yeah, I love the coaster. Simple, effective. I like the way the route changes.
Yes.
Interesting part going around though. The carriage is the other train that's always sitting on the floor at the back. They're actually working on it.
Yes.
So is that a sign that they might have two operational? If they did, it will cut down on the queue wait times a massive amount.
Yeah, because you're just standing there for about a minute waiting for the train.
Yeah. Yeah. So hopefully, fingers crossed, that might be a sign of something to come.
Yeah.
Because we've never seen anybody working on them before. I don't know why they need to be worked on, as they're still fairly new. But hey ho, maybe it's safety checks. Fingers crossed, they'll have it operational.
But what we don't hope is to get it operational and the other train then has to be removed. So
maybe they're swapping one for one.
Yeah, so hopefully both trains can be on at some point. So we've just been on I think it's Slepping in the Vikings area. If you don't know what that is, it's
the slow horsey ride.
Yes.
It's nice easy little relaxing ride.
Yeah.
It's good. Not a lot to say about it really, is there?
There's some birds nesting in the roof.
Oh yes, there's some pigeons. We're just walking past the pirate ship. On that, apparently it's been closed for about 7 weeks now, awaiting a part, motor, which isn't far off arriving or being repaired. So hopefully we might see that operational fairly soon. So we're just going to wander over to the River Rapids again, see what the queue's like over there, and head on that.
Well, that concludes our visit here at Drayton Manor.
Yep.
Even though it's been a short one, I think we've had a good day.
Yeah, so since the last clip, we went on the Thomas train.
Yeah, as you saw.
That was nice little journey. Get to see a few things along the way. Yeah, been a bit of a short day today.
Yeah.
Hope you've enjoyed it. Not a lot happening in terms of getting ready for any events anytime soon. Not that I noticed around.
No. There was a stage show with lots of foam.
There was a stage show with lots of foam. Yeah. That's to do with Rory and his celebrations for his 75th anniversary.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's a good day, and I don't know where next.
Don't know either.
Maybe Alton Towers or Chessington, maybe.
Yeah.
So until next time,
we'll see you again.
See you
Thanks
again.
for watching.